Good day, viewers. You are welcome to Soluble Tutors. Chemistry practical, NECO chemistry practical is very important and very easy to pass. Very easy. But the problems why students always fail every year, the reason why they fail it every year is because of 14 things that they do wrongly. 14 major things, and you have to know this, please. You have to understand and know this, because it is something for you to do the practical properly. It is something for you to fall victim of a lot of mistakes. And I can't call it mistake because some students did not know. They do it ignorantly. And please, you have to be very careful and attentive to what I will say. If you are new to this channel, we always teach physics, chemistry, and mathematics in this channel. Please subscribe, like this video, and share with friends. Okay? Now, very soon I will be making videos also on how NECO mark your chemistry practical. What are the steps in which they mark it? But this video primarily is for you to know the 14 easy way in which NECO deducts your marks, and you have to be aware of it so that you not fall victim. And that's why I've made this video. So if you are interested in knowing it and you want to pass NECO chemistry practical easily, I will advise you to click on a video that is up here, because I've made a video before of reasons why WAEC deducts your marks. The marking guide we use for WAEC is the same thing. The same rules and regulation also falls for NECO. So I've made a video on it. If you have not watched it before, okay, click up here. You will see the video pumping up. Try to click it, and after clicking it, it will take you there, and you listen to it and enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you. God bless.